Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the beauty products that shape our routines. Today, we're exploring a product that could become a game changer for those of us obsessed with perfecting our lips, the KIKO Milano Universal Blur Lip Primer. This primer promises to smooth, perfect, and neutralize, setting the stage for flawless lip color. It's a transparent, creamy formula designed for all skin types. But does it live up to the hype? Or is it just another addition to the ever-growing sea of lip products? Let's find out. Now, the KIKO Milano Universal Blur Lip Primer comes in a convenient stick form, which makes it easy to apply directly to your lips. It has a creamy texture that goes on smoothly, leaving behind a polished, blurred effect. If you've ever struggled with lip color smudging or unevenness, this product claims to prevent exactly that, while neutralizing your natural lip color for a more even base. What stood out to me when testing this product was its ability to create a seamless surface. I was able to use it as a base for my favorite lipsticks and glosses, and it kept everything looking fresh all day without the usual feathering or fading. The angled tip makes it easy to apply precisely, even on those tricky corners, so you can really get a clean look. Now let's break down the pros and cons. The texture is a big win for me. It's smooth without being greasy, and it doesn't feel heavy on the lips. It creates that perfect canvas for lipstick, preventing any uneven patches or bleeding. It's also versatile, so it works with both matte and glossy finishes. On the downside, while the product delivers on its promises of blurring and smoothing, it's not an instant magic wand. You need to apply it with care, making sure it's blended evenly across your lips. If you rush through the application, you might not get that smooth finish you're hoping for. As for value, the KIKO Milano Universal Blur Lip Primer is priced reasonably for a high-quality product. It's not exactly a budget option, but it's also not ridiculously expensive compared to other premium primers. For the price, I think it delivers on its promises, especially if you want to elevate the wear of your lip products. When comparing this primer to others on the market, I'd say it stands out for its smooth, blurring effect. Some other lip primers can feel heavy or sticky, but this one gives a more natural feel. However, there are alternatives at lower price points that may provide similar results for those on a tighter budget. In terms of build quality, the stick format is a win, providing easy, no-fuss application. It's compact and travel-friendly, so you can toss it in your bag without worrying about leaks or mess. The formula also feels solid, no signs of it separating or becoming gritty during use. I haven't had a chance to interact with KIKO Milano's customer service directly, but the brand is generally known for being responsive when it comes to product inquiries. If you do have an issue, you can expect them to handle it with care and efficiency. In conclusion, the KIKO Milano Universal Blur Lip Primer is a solid choice for anyone looking to elevate their lip game. It works well across different lip products, from lipsticks to glosses, and offers a smooth, even base that prevents smudging and feathering. Its price is reasonable for the quality, but it might not be the best choice for those on a tight budget or those looking for a quick fix primer. So who would benefit from this primer? If you're someone who struggles with lip color bleeding or unevenness, this product could really help lock in your lip look for hours. If you're happy with your lip products as is, this might be an extra step you can skip. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've tried the KIKO Milano Universal Blur Lip Primer, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.